Piggies!
No.
It was eating.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah.
Okay, get the horsey.
It's a horse?
Yeah, it's a horsey. Here, baby.
Come here.
Because you're not the best videotaper.
It's a goat! Man! Goodbye! You don't do that? That's cool.
Okay, let's go see the other.
You guys look Satan-ish. Are they donkeys?
Here, let me hold it. I got it. Listen, let me hold it. Listen, you're not getting anything.
Yes, I am. Hi, guys. Your mom's coming this way. She's gonna drive through the freaking mud. Alright, let's go.
Hey, Christian,
Wait,
can
hold
I
on.
have
I've got
the
the light. I've got the light.
No.
This is leading our way, and it's videotaping, so it knows where we've been.
Yeah, we know where we've been. Christian, we need to go next time in the dark.
I am. I'm gonna come again.
Oh my gosh, I didn't take my helmet off.
Oh! Hurry up! Ashley didn't take her helmet. Ashley didn't take her helmet off yet.
Your feet aren't muddy, are they?
They're not muddy, buddy.
Ashley, wipe your feet on the grass, please. Your dad will have a fit.
Are you still videotaping?
No. Oh yeah.